Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to ShipStation for faster order fulfillment step by step clearly. Log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the ShipStation app. Click on the ShipStation app in the search results. Select the Add App button to install it. You will be redirected to your ShipStation account. If you don't have a ShipStation account, create one. Once logged in, click on Connect a Store or Marketplace. Choose Shopify from the list of options. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. Click on the Authorize Now button. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant access. Return to your ShipStation account dashboard. Set your shipping preferences under the Settings tab. Customize your shipping carriers and services. Go to the Store Setup section. Select Store Settings for advanced configurations. Adjust any order and fulfillment settings as necessary. Check your store for any orders that need fulfillment. ShipStation will automatically import these orders. Review the imported orders in your ShipStation dashboard. Select the orders you wish to fulfill. Print shipping labels directly from ShipStation. Notify customers about their order status through ShipStation. Monitor updates and tracking information via your ShipStation account. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Shopify to ShipStation for faster order fulfillment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.